Hi, physics classes. Welcome to another online day. I'm going to do a couple more examples of the math with the significant figure things to hopefully maybe help clarify what we talked about yesterday. We'll start with this problem over here on the left, which is an addition problem where you're adding some different masses together. When you put those numbers into your calculator, you get an answer that shows up on the screen of 582.858 grams. Now remember, when adding or subtracting, you look for the least common decimal place. So if we start over here on the right side, we see that the top number doesn't have a digit in the thousandth place, but the next one does. So we can't go to the thousandths place. So we'll move into the hundredths. Well, the top two have a digit or a measurement in the hundredths place, but not the bottom one. So we move in one more to the tenths place. Well, look, they all do. They're all part of the measurement. So that means our answer can only go to the tenths place. So now we have to do rounding. Since the digits following this are 5 and then greater than 5, we're going to round up. So the answer is 582.9 grams, following our significant figure rules. Now, if we go over to the question or the problem on the right, this would be like a density calculation where you're taking mass divided by volume. So for this one, when you take 1.678 grams divided by 0.42 and put that in your calculator, you get a much larger number with the number of digits that are in it. 3.995238.095. Holy cow, that's a lot of digits. Well, now for multiplying or dividing, that's where we go and we look at the count of how many sig figs are in each of our measurements. So 1.678 has 4 significant figures. 0.42 has only 2 significant figures. So your answer can only have the least number of sig figs. So this is your worst measurement in a sense. So our answer down here has to be rounded to 2 sig figs. Another rounding up. So we'd end up with an answer of 4.0 grams per milliliter. Hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you on Friday.